Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. The shipping and maritime industry is highly complex, with cargo moving across countries, ports and oceans every single day. But how do organizations ensure that all these operations run safely and securely? The answer lies not only in processes and security measures, but also in proper documentation. Documentation is the backbone of ISO 28000 compliance, making your security management system verifiable, auditable, and actionable. It is not about mountains of paperwork. It is about creating practical records that guide your organization, protect assets, and ensure smooth audits. Now, understanding ISO 28000 documentation. ISO 28000 requires organizations to plan, implement, monitor, and continuously improve their supply chain security measures. Documentation serves multiple purposes. It demonstrates compliance to auditors and authorities, provides clarity and consistency for employees, and proves that risk assessment, controls, and continuous improvements are in place. Effective documentation ensures your SMS is functional, measurable, and reliable. Now, mandatory documents you need. While ISO 28000 doesn't list an exact set of documents, certain records are critical. A security policy approved by top management, risk assessment and risk treatment plans detailing threats and mitigations, clear roles and responsibilities, operational procedures for vessel security, port operations, access control, cargo handling, and emergency response, training records showing employee preparedness, incident reports and corrective actions, monitoring and measurement reports, internal audit reports, and management review records, documenting top management decisions. Each of these documents is a building block demonstrating proactive security management. Now, recommended supporting documents. Beyond the mandatory documents, ISO 28000 encourages additional supporting documents that strengthen security. Port facility security plans, shipping route risk analysis, vendor and supplier security assessments, cargo inspection checklist, access control logs, and communication protocols. These documents improve operational clarity, aid in audits, and minimize risk, all without adding unnecessary bureaucracy. Now, structuring your ISO 28000 documentation. A well-structured documentation system is essential. ISO 28000 documents should be hierarchical, starting with policy documents, then procedures, work instructions, and finally records. Consistency in format, numbering, and version control is key, along with accessibility for employees and auditors. Documents must be updated regularly to reflect current operations and regulations. Maintaining a document control register helps track approvals, versions, and distribution, simplifying audits and internal reviews. Now, practical tips for effective documentation. To create ISO 28000 documentation that works, keep it concise and focused on clarity. Use templates for consistency, include evidence like logs and training certificates, review and update regularly, and involve employees who implement the processes. Auditors value practical evidence over long, irrelevant paperwork, so your focus should be on accuracy and functionality. Now, have a look on the digital tools for ISO 28000 documentation. Digitalization makes documentation management far easier. Cloud-based tools, ERP systems, and compliance software can store documents securely, track versions, generate audit reports, and allow remote access for staff and stakeholders. Digital systems ensure real-time accuracy, improve efficiency, and reduce the risk of outdated or lost documents, making compliance simpler and more reliable. Documentation is your security backbone. ISO 28000 documentation is far more than a bureaucratic requirement. It is the foundation of a secure supply chain, from policies and risk assessments to incident reports and audit logs. Every document ensures your maritime operations are safe, auditable, and resilient. Clear, structured, and practical documentation not only ensures compliance, but also protects your crew, cargo, and company reputation. In shipping and maritime operations, strong documentation is essential because what isn't documented cannot be managed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.